एक 10 मिनिट मी तुम्हाला त्याचं अगोदर इंग्लिश मध्ये विश्लेषण करणार आहे. विश्लेषण केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला त्या अनुषंगाने मी तुम्हाला काही एमसीक्यू तयार करून देणार आहे किंवा नंतर तुम्हाला देणार आहे. तर एक पहिली 10 प्रेसिज रायटिंग is one of the soft skills. As a student, you have to write precise writing in the examination. It is a kind of skill in which you try to read the original text and you try to understand it. What is precise writing? Precise writing requires to understand essential points in the text, the mood of the writer, the temperament of the writer, the tone of the passage has to be understood by the reader. When you are a student and when you are reading a passage or a text, you try to understand the text. Means you try to interpret the text in your mind. You try to grasp the points in the text or in the given passage. Precise writing is a kind of skill which is associated with written document. You have to read the writers each and every word. You have to write the matter which you understand in the passage. You have to report it in reported speech. Though you are going to understand the text, it is very essential to present the text in reported form. More than that, whatever you present, it requires a kind of logical sequence. That is, the content in the text has to be presented logically. That is, there should not be odd sequence in your writing. More than that, it is not essential to present all the words. When you write precise writing, most of the time, the students what do? The students look at the passage. If the passage is of 20 lines, what the students do? The students write 6 to 7 lines. Which lines? From the text as they are. It is not expected. What is expected? That is, you should read the text. You should understand the text and you should shorten. You should present the content in the passage in short form. That is 1/3 writing. It is not that you should select 6 to 7 sentences and write as they are. When you copy the sentence from the original text and write them, reproduce them in the examination, the marks are not allotted. And therefore, it is 1/3 in a sense if there are 200 words. It is not necessary to write 1/3 in a sense only 68, 67, 69 words. It is not watertight. You can summarize those words from 60 to 80, no problem. What is expected? You are going to present the content, the original content in your words. Remember, 1/3 writing, in a sense, you are going to present the text which you understand in your own words. And therefore, original text, it is not necessary. The central idea of the text has to be written in the examination, and non-essential things, the things which are not essential, the things which are not essential to tell the others, they should be omitted. And therefore, it is remember that in short, precise writing is a kind of an exercise in which you read the text, in which you read again and again, 2 times, 3 times the text or passage and try to understand it. Secondly, you have to analyze the text and you have to select some points, and those points should be written in complete sentences if possible or if essential. And at last, what is essential? The content should be presented in your own words. In short, I shall tell you once again, precise writing requires to read the text once, twice, thrice, as you like, and then understand the points, the writer's message, the writer's tone, and all these content should be presented in your own words. That is called precise writing.